What are you trying to do, Spiky?
I need to investigate things underwater for my science assignment. But I can't look underwater.
Try this.
Oh, I can see fish, a few tadpoles, and a lot of plants here. How does this thing help me see through the water?
This is a periscope. A periscope is a device that allows you to see things that are out of sight. For example, a periscope lets you view things underwater. Let's find out how a periscope works. A periscope works with the help of plane mirrors. Do you want to know what plane mirrors are? A plane mirror is a mirror with a flat reflective surface. The light rays that strike a plane mirror follow the law of reflection. So, the angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence. Mirrors inside a periscope reflect the light towards the observer. For the periscope to work, the mirrors must face each other and must be at a 45-degree angle to the horizontal. Light that enters the periscope strikes the first mirror at the top and gets reflected. As the light moves down the periscope, it hits the second mirror and gets reflected towards the observer's eyes. The observer can then see the image. Do you know that we use these plane mirrors in our homes as well? The mirror of your dressing table is also a plane mirror. Now, can you describe a few characteristics of the image formed by the plane mirror?
The image is the same size as the person standing in front of it.
The image is upright.
That means it is erect.
It appears that the distance of the image from the mirror is the same as the distance of the person from the mirror.
Oh, the image is inverted from left to right.
What do you mean by an inverted image?
When the person raises his left arm, you will see that the image in the mirror will raise its right arm. It means that our left is the image's right. Likewise, our right side appears to be the left of the image. The image is upright, but it is flipped from left to right. In other words, it is laterally inverted. Is the image real?
I guess not, but it's an exact copy.
Such images are called virtual images. By virtual, I mean that the images cannot be formed on a screen. If you put a screen in front of the mirror, you will not see the image.
What is happening?
These are multiple reflections. If we place two plane mirrors with their reflecting surfaces inclined towards each other at a certain angle, then we may see more than one image of an object. If the angle between the two mirrors is 120 degrees, then two images will be formed. If we change the angle between the mirrors to 90 degrees, three images will be formed. If we change the angle to 60 degrees, 5 images will be formed. The most interesting application of multiple reflections is in a kaleidoscope. A kaleidoscope has 3 plane mirrors arranged at a specific angle to create multiple reflections of an object. Multiple reflections through a kaleidoscope look like this. Let's do an exercise. How will the soldiers in a submarine look above the surface of the ocean to detect any threat? They will use a periscope because periscopes are used to see objects that are out of sight. How will the word science appear in a plane mirror? The word science will appear as flipped from left to right in the plane mirror like this, because the images formed by a plane mirror are laterally inverted. Let's summarize. The image formed by a plane mirror is virtual and erect. It has the same size as the actual object placed in front of it. The distance of the image from the mirror appears to be the same as the distance of the object from the mirror. Two plane mirrors placed at a certain angle form multiple reflections of an object.